Going to the second question of practice at 1.2. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB. So there is a segment AB, segment which AB, where they have said that AB is 8 and M is the midpoint of it. So it is half the distance, we know that. So M is in the midpoint, in the middle of segment AB. They have asked to find the length of segment AM. Length of the segment is 8, the length of AB is 8. So if I have to find length of AM, it will be equal to half into length of AB, that is half into length of AB is 8. So half into 8, 2 goes in 8 4 times. So 1 into 4 is 4. Therefore length of AM is 4. So that is, if we have a segment, say here AB, which is of 8 units, and here M is right in the center, which is the midpoint, then this AM will be half of AB. Okay, if they give us half the length and ask us to find out the full length, how will we find out? We will take this half length and multiply into 2. Since here they have given us the full length and asked us this half length, we multiply it with half, or we divide it by 2 and get 4. So that is what we do in the next question, where they have said that point P is the midpoint of segment CD. Okay, so now here you have a segment CD and you have the point P here, which is the midpoint. What have they said? CP is 2.5, so they have given half the length. You have to find the whole length. What is CD? That is this. So length of CP is 2.5. So length of CD will be 2.5 into 2. So we write 2 into 2.5, which is 2 into length of CP is 2.5. So I write 2.5. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 0.5, that is 2 into 0.5 is 1. So 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 0.5 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore the answer will be 5. Going now to the fourth question, we have to compare the segments. Means we have to compare the length of the segments which are given. Okay, so here the lengths are given. AB is 5 cm, BP is 2 cm and AP is 3.4 cm. We have to compare the segments. So first what we do is we arrange all these three measures in the descending order. So 5 is greatest, then is 3.4 and then is 2. So I can write 5 is greater than 3.4 is greater than 2. But what is 5 actually? It is AB. What is 3.4? It is AP. What is 2? It is BP. So AB greater than AP greater than BP. They said compare the segment. So let us write it in form of segment. Therefore segment AB is greater than segment AP is greater than segment BP. So this is how we compare the segment.